Let's make this simple pasta stir fry. So I'm going to start by making the pepper mix. So I'm blending red bell pepper, some tomatoes, onion and Scotch bonnet pepper. I'll give that a rough blend using my chopper. I've really been loving this new rechargeable chopper from KitchenAid. I'm so obsessed with it. After blending, I'll set that aside and then move on to the meat. I'm using turkey for this recipe, but you can use chicken if you prefer chicken. I'll take off the skin and the bones of the meat and then cut into bite-sized pieces. I usually save the cut up skin and bones. I just place that in the freezer, and when I have enough, I use it for meat stock. Next, I'm going to season the turkey with salt, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, some chicken stock cubes and pepper. I'll give that a good mix and then just let it sit and marinate for a bit. For the veggies, this is what I'm working with. I have red bell pepper, green bell pepper, carrots and onions. And you can add or remove any veggies you don't like. Rinse the veggies thoroughly, remove the seeds of the pepper and then cut into thin slices like this. If you love mushrooms, it's also a great addition to add to this dish. After cutting the vegetables, I'll go ahead and slice the onions as well and then mince some garlic. When that's done, I'll heat up some oil and then fry the seasoned turkey pieces. I'm gonna fry this in 2 separate batches just so I'm not overcrowding the pan. Usually when you overcrowd the pan, the meat starts to steam instead of fry, so it takes a longer time to brown. The first batch is done. I'll take that out and then fry the second batch. You can also do this in the air fryer or oven or grill for a healthier alternative. I'm done frying the meat. Next, I'm going to add the onions and the minced garlic. Fry that for a few minutes and then add the blended pepper mix from earlier. I'm going to fry the pepper mix for a few minutes just to get rid of the sour taste of the tomatoes, and I'll season with salt, some chicken seasoning cube and pepper. I'll let this fry for about 10 minutes, stirring constantly, and while it's frying, I'll get started on the pasta. I'm using regular spaghetti for this recipe. I'll just boil the spaghetti in salted water for about 6 minutes until it's cooked but not soft. Depending on the type or brand of spaghetti you're using, it may take 1 to 2 minutes longer. When it's cooked, I'll take that out. I'll remove a little bit of the pasta water and then drain. The sauce is ready. You can see that the color has darkened a bit. Now I'll add my fried turkey and then the veggies. I'll give that a good mix and just stir fry for a bit to let the veggies cook for a few minutes. It shouldn't take long, just for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then I'll add the cooked pasta and a little pasta water. The pasta water will help the pasta and the sauce combine more easily, but you can use regular water for this as well. I'll give this a very good mix and just allow the pasta soak up most of the sauce. And when that's done, your pasta stir fry is ready. Let me know what you think about this recipe and if you try it. Thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and if you're already subscribed, thanks for subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.